In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a front camber bolt on your Kia Sorento located behind the front wheels. Let's get started. Using a 21mm socket, we're going to remove the wheel. Remove the wheel. We're going to start by loosening this lower bolt. We're not going to take it completely out. We're just going to go ahead and get it loose. Using a 24mm wrench, we're going to go ahead and hold the nut. And with a 19mm socket, we're going to go ahead and loosen the bolt. We're going to go ahead and remove the top one. Using the 24mm wrench, we're going to go ahead and hold the nut. And with a 19mm socket, go ahead and take it out. Remove the bolt. We're gonna go ahead and install the camber bolt. And for that, we're gonna look at this plate that has the little notch. We wanna make sure that the notch is facing the side of the bolt, like so. Now we're gonna go ahead and slide this in place on the upper hole, making sure that that tab is facing down. Go ahead and slide it in place. Now we're gonna go ahead and install this piece. Looking at this tab, we wanna go ahead and put it on this side. That tab has to go onto the strut, so just keep that in mind. Go ahead and start the knot by hand. Using a 21mm wrench, we're gonna hold the knot in place. And using an 18mm socket, go ahead and get it snug. You wanna make sure that that tab is actually on the inside of the strut before we go ahead and torque this down. And now we're gonna go ahead and tighten the bottom bolt. Hold it on one side. And tighten it on the other. Next up, I'm gonna use a screw jack to put some pressure on the suspension. This is gonna simulate the vehicle being on the ground with the wheel on. This is so we can torque down those bolts. Next up, we're gonna go ahead and torque down the bottom strut bolt to 159 foot-pounds. Next up, for the camber bolt, we're gonna go ahead and hold the nut with a 21mm wrench and torque the bolt to 159 foot-pounds. And now you wanna make sure you bring the vehicle to get aligned, and you wanna let them know that you have a camber kit installed on your vehicle so they can make the proper adjustments. Go ahead and remove the jack. Install the wheel, align the holes. Start your lug nuts by hand. And get them snug. With the vehicle on the ground, we're gonna go ahead and torque our wheel to 79.6 foot-pounds. And for that, we wanna make sure we do a star pattern.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.